What's up, y'all? Breezy. We back at it again with another one. This morning, we're looking at gold, and I just want to show y'all, because as I said before, and I will say it again, my strategy is based on support and resistance, as we know, supply and demand. I used to be a scalper on the 5 minute, but yet I feel like, I switched to being a day trader because I feel like that's good for me. Always do what you feel is best for you. Don't do something because you saw somebody doing it, and most importantly, don't try to prove a point. Work on you for you, because at the end of the day, it benefits you. You're the one growing up. At the end of the day, it's not them. At this point, it's you versus you. It's not you versus them. It's you versus you. So stick to the plan no matter what. So what I'm trying to say to you is, like, don't try to fit in. Why fit in when you can build your own table? That's what I'm on. But anyway, yeah, you know. So yeah, excuse that. Let's jump straight to it. You gotta know that supply and demand is everywhere. Support and resistance is everywhere, no matter what. So now I see that and remember, we trade the markets for what they are. And if there is no setup, you step away, close that laptop, switch up that phone, whatever you trade with, switch it off. If there is no setups, close it. You gotta learn that. Because most people will be trading when there's no setups. They be creating their own setups and then complaining, saying, the market, it's not fair. No, it's you. You not fair. You don't follow your plan. But anyway, let me show y'all some, as we see that price dropped hard. We see that price dropped when I see it's the trend line. My bad. We see that price dropped, and the moment we dropped, we had that retest immediately. You gotta pay attention to this. You gotta pay attention. You see, the moment we dropped, we have a retest. As I say, in every impulse, we have a correction. So price retested that support, because remember, we broke it and then we retested. After retesting, we had that drop. So price continued its play. We had the same thing right there. Yet price broke this time. So what do you expect? For price to drop again? Because after that break, we just consolidated. And consolidation, like, what's consolidation? Consolidation is the market stuck in one place, like just playing in one place. That's consolidation. And usually when it comes to consolidations, the breakouts, because as we see, after the consolidation, we had a subsequent bullish candle whereby we pushed up so hard that it melted. It melted to come down, and then price closed. So what I'm on basically is that price pushed so high that it couldn't go even higher. So what I'm on, like, being honest, is price just continuing to drop, because that's what I see myself, just price continuing to drop. So, like, what I mean is, we find setups on a bigger time frame, and again, it's us marking our support and resistance levels. You gotta mark them and know where's support, where's resistance. Do something that works for you. If you want to try something out and you saw somebody doing it and you like it, you can do it. And remember, there's always room for improvement. People want to relax, people want to be comfortable. No, you gotta improve yourself every chance you get. Even the rich, there's people I like, oh, please forgive me for that. There's people I know, like people that are ahead of me, that's like that, like those people still work today. They still improve themselves, whether it's reading, whether anything, bro. Like, just improve yourself. It's needed. I stand on investing in yourself. I be talking too much. I'm not even in the market. Anyway, yeah, as I was saying that we find our setups on a bigger time frame and we execute on a smaller time frame. So now we see that we got support and price. We see that price about week. That's what we see, right? That's what we see, right? We see again that price didn't push higher because limo we have our resistance whereby price can just retest and drop. But what I see is nice. What I see, because like I be loving what I see here. I be loving what I see. Let me do this so that y'all can see proper. Yep. As we see, it was on the 17th. We had the same thing. Price pushed up so hard that it couldn't break. It dropped. And now we just had the same thing. Price pushed up so hard because this was the major push, and using a Fibonacci, it would confirm for us. But I see that after that consolidation, price pushed up, but it couldn't go higher. So I'm looking at price dropping here, and what do? We go to a smaller time frame to execute. Why? The smaller the time frame, the more the points, you know. But again, don't just jump in because you saw a setup. No, analyze, make sure, bro, your strategy has to confirm for you. So now on a smaller time frame, we see that on a smaller time frame, I see support. I'm gonna use my line. On a smaller time frame, this is what I'm on a smaller time frame. This is what I'm on. Yes, sir. Yep, that's what I'm on a smaller time frame. So already I see that we have support. And why did I draw that support? Because I want that break. And what do I mean by that? This is what I mean. This is what I mean. As we see that price started playing right here, you see. Like price just started playing and then we pushed up, whereby we came down, and I don't see it as a retest. You see, because we pushed up and then we came down hard. So I want to break this resistance, this support. After breaking, that confirms for me that our setup is right. Because that breakout and then waiting for the candle to close and for that retest. Because this is double confirmation for you. Breakout, waiting for the candle to close, that retest, that's a double confirmation. You hopping. So we're going short. Another candle just popped, targeting this lows right there. And defense is key, guys. Defense is key. Most people look at how much they are risking. No, use percentage wise. Let's say you risking 1% to make 15. Makes no sense. Let's say you risking 1% to make 10. Makes sense, bro. Like you gotta know, learn these things, bro. Learn these things. Learn these things. If you can make time for partying, you can definitely make time for yourself. And what scares me is people plan for your what scares me is people plan for the weekends more than their own future. That's crazy, man. But anyway, yeah, this is what I'm on. Just price dropping beautifully, and us eating. Because another day, another W. That's how it is. That's how it's always been. So I just hope y'all understand. Because, I be doing this for y'all. And again, if there's content that you like, stick to it, stick to your mentor, because switching people, you're gonna end up being confused. Why? Because this guy is gonna tell you about that, the other person is gonna tell you about that, the other person is gonna tell you about that. You're gonna end up having too many things at the same time. It's the same as trying to play all the sports. You can never be a soccer player at the same time you want to play basketball, at the same time you want to play tennis, rugby. Like, come on, cricket, it's not possible. Javelin, it's not possible. So stick to one thing. And if you like it, passion plus consistency equals success. That's what I'm on. So we see now, this is what I'm on. So I just hope y'all understood and like it, because I be doing this for y'all. let's just analyze pound. Today it's a Thursday. London session hasn't kicked yet, but ooh, jumping straight to it, I see. Let's go to a bigger time frame. The H4, it'll tell us what's up. Always tells you what's up, bro. Always. So the H4, we see that we've been bullish for a minute, because like we've been heading to the upside. That's what I see. Now, we just had those jobs, and now I feel like there's a retest. You're gonna continue jobbing or hit that, or probably hit this resistance before jobbing. Because what I've noticed about trading pairs is that they really respected those zones. They really respect those zones, bro. Like, they really retest. They really like respect it, like, for sure. So now this is what I'm on. I see that after the job, see, we had a retest and we continue dropping, and this is the 4 hour. And remember, we look for setups on a bigger time frame and we scale in on a smaller time frame. Always remember that. Never take setups on a bigger, no. And then as I see that after that retest, we dropped. So now I'll give a second retest on them right here. Price just hitting and continue dropping, or price just playing dumb with y'all, and just play it up. Because you know how the markets be. They're not your friend. They're like, come on, bro. I've been trading now for 1 year, probably 1 year, 8 months, 1 year, 6 months, and like, you just gotta be down for this. I just started being profitable probably like this year, probably like a few months ago. So like, you really gotta stay down until your time comes up. Yes, it's not hard. If it was easy, everybody was gonna do it. But come on, bro. I was lead here to lead. I was brought here to lead the lost souls to millions. Because I know I'm a get one. I'm a pending millionaire. So now going to a 1 hour time frame, we created let me use my arrow so that y'all can see. We created support right there. We created support whereby on the 4 hour you can see it proper. I'm just trying to give you good content. That's all. Just trying to explain to the fullest. Like, that's all. Like, trust me, that's all. Just trying to change the world, nothing more, bro. I don't do signals, no. I don't do that, no. I'm just trying to help. This is the support we created, as you can see, right? That's the support we created. Because like, again, looking at it, those rejections, candle melting, like, weakness. Price shows you the weakness. Like, just gotta see the markets, bro. Like, just gotta pay attention. Stop trying to buy things for you to be rich. Makes no sense buying signals to be rich, because if they stop providing them, you back at your old stuff. So it makes no sense. Stop taking shortcuts and go the hard way in, bro. So this is the support I'm talking about, whereby we created, and what I'm on. As I see that our price ever weak right there, that's what I'm on. I see that our price smelted, and after that smelt, price did go back there, but we had that subsequent candle and price, you know, pushing to the upside. And as I know that in every impulse we have a correction. In every impulse move we have a correction. Every impulse move we have a correction. That's what you should know. Put that in mind always. But don't cram that saying Breezy said in every impulse of a correction. No. You gotta have a strategy, bro, and make sure that your strategy is solid. Back test on demo if you have to. If you're starting out, like, I really want you to work on demo first. Like, don't just try to blow your money on real account if you're starting out. Because now, when I started out 2022, 2023, I started out 200, 700, 500, 300, 700, 500. Like, every month putting in 700, 300, that, this, that, and blowing it, bro. Being greedy sometimes, realizing that I should have closed this, that. But as you grow as a trader, the more you expand, the more you flow like water, the more you fit in anything you are in. Like, I don't know if y'all understand me, bro. The more you grow, the more you see. The more you grow, the more you visualize. The more you grow, the more you understand. Like, that's what I'm on. And the more you grow, the more you improve yourself. What I mean is keep evolving no matter what. Don't care what anybody got to say. It's this, like at this point, it's you versus you. It's not you versus the world. It's you versus you. So, as I said, I'm looking for price to play right here. As I see that we had the job right there. I'm sorry for this. Let me use my proper arrow. Yeah. As I see that price pushed up right there, I want price to retest and probably touch up there. If that's what we on, so going into a smaller time frame, not a smaller time frame, but going to the H1. On the H1 we see too that price has been playing, and price makes no sense to me right here. So that's why I'm gonna take my trend line. Just trying to see what the market is giving me here, because if there's no setup, you don't trade. When I started out, I used to make my own setups and just lose trades. Imagine, like, just because you ain't trading, just because, like, I just wanted to be on the markets 247, bro. And like, I realized later on that, hey, that's not what traders do. Now I'm a full-time trader, bro. So, every chance you get, shine. If there's not a way, make one, bro. I was broke, but still trading. I had no internet or Wi-Fi or data, but I still traded on demo without, like, the internet. I just traded without Wi-Fi, bro. It wasn't like I just traded like that. I just, like, analyzed without Wi-Fi, analyzed, did that. So I don't get it when people complain. Never complain, compromise. People complain but can compromise, bro. I find that dirty, bro. Makes no sense to me. Let me use this low right here for it to be clean. Alright. Right. So, yep. This is what I'm on, bro. Like, just and this is the H1, bro. This is the H1. If I go, I see that price is not giving me what I want. No, I'm just trying to show y'all that, anything possible. Oh fuck, what happened right there? I'm sorry for my language. So let's mark this support right there. I see that we got support. Let's just mark our zones right now, because I want to show you this on a smaller time frame. You will be surprised. Just trying to show y'all this is not rocket science, bro. It's just years of hard work, sweat, blood and tears, but people don't really want to put it in. But anyway, those who really are dedicated, just know that we are gonna make it. I know we are. Even though they talk behind our backs, they are behind us for a reason. So let's keep evolving, and let's leave the haters do what they're good at, talking and hating. Because we never been haters. We don't care enough. All we want is those APs, Richards, supercars, living life, buying modded crib. Bro, like, hey, then. So now as we marked, let's go to a smaller time frame, whereby in this case, I'm going to go to the 15. And now moving to the 15, what do we see? Oh, we can use our trend line just to guide this trend down, because I see that price really playing there. Can use my trend. Yep. Can just use my trend. Just like that. You can already see that we are in a bearish trend, but like kind of consolidating, because as you see that price is just consolidating but going down. Like, I don't know if you understand me. This is what I'm saying. As we see, price is just playing, going to the downside, and like we're just consolidating. So when London session kicks in, we're looking at price probably like, continue dropping to the downside, because that's what I'm on. And again, why am I saying so? I see that every time price hit that trend line, we created some kind of like diversion whereby it's that lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. What I mean here is, this is what I mean. As you see here, we have that high, we have that higher high, we have that high low, that higher high, that higher low, we have that higher high. Oh fuck, bro, I stumbled. You see what I mean? That's what I mean. That higher high, that high low, higher high, higher low, that higher high, now that higher low, now that higher high. So now I'm just trying to get that higher low. Yeah, it's grumpy, but I just hope y'all see it. So now, executing this one, let's jump to the 5 minute and see. Jumping to the 5 minute time frame, you see that our price has really been just playing there, and we see like those rejections are major. What I mean is this: still confident price is gonna drop, because we pushed hard immediately when we hit that trend. We just started to play our. This is what I mean. We had that higher high, higher low, higher high. Now we have that higher low, higher high, that higher low, that higher high. Now that higher low. So now what I'm on, like being honest, this is what I'm on, bro. Like just seeing price dropping hard for me. Just seeing price dropping hard for me, bro. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a sell stop and execute this setup, because like it's so clean, bro. Another day, another W. And see again that price didn't break there. It just closed and it rejected subsequent candle. So, beautiful setup, bro. Stop loss pretty up there. And then probably targeting that support, bro. Remember, this is the 5 minute, bro. Like this is a 1 to 5, 1 to 6. It's a beautiful setup, bro. Like damn. On a Thursday, another day, another W. I just hope y'all executing. I just hope those that are learning are really executing on demo, are writing down notes if necessary. I just hope like you really locked in right now, because at this point it's you versus you. I ain't choosing for you, but it's now or never. So, let's just keep winning, people. This is it. We can be tripping. We're growing up. And as I said, I don't know about you, but I'm a deliver. I don't know about you, but I'm a deliver. That's on God, bro. I was placed here to lead the lost souls to M's. That's my purpose, bro. And I'm going to accomplish my mission. I don't know about you. I'll be talking too much. So, yeah, I just hope y'all enjoyed. And, yeah, we'll be back at it again. Just hope y'all chop. Another day, another W. Breezy signing out.